Firebase Analytics on Android Studio project. So this is our objective, that in this video we are going to learn how to add Firebase Analytics in Android Studio project. So we have to open an empty an Android Studio project with empty activity, and then we have to open firebase.google.com. Then we have to sign in and then go to console. Alright, and then open Firebase project as your Android Studio, and then here also you need to sign in. Okay, so uh, next you have to go to tools, and here we will find this Firebase option. You have to open Firebase. So this assistant will open up on clicking on that option, and then you can find all the Firebase features here, and then you have to click on analytics. Since in this project we want to set up your Google Analytics in here, so you can click on this option. Then you will find this option as connect to Firebase. Click this option and wait for the project to finish the building processes. The Gradle build has finished, and then once again you have to click on connect to Firebase. So this Firebase console will open, and here you can select from the already existing project, or you can add a new project. I will add a new project with this name Firebase Analytics. Click on continue. Then you have to enable Google Analytics for this project, and then again click on continue. Select the account. You can create an account or select your default Firebase account, and then lastly click on create project. Now this process will complete. It takes some time. Our project building is almost finished, so let's wait for it to finish. Okay, so our project is ready, and you can click on continue. Let this load. Finally click on connect, and our project will get connected to this and the Firebase. And okay, so this process is finished. Next we come to adding the analytics to our application. You can just add analytics to your app and accept the changes. Let the build model to finish, and once it is finished, we can start our coding process. So you can just firstly copy this and paste it here. I'm sorry, we can paste it here. Import this Firebase Analytics, and uh, we basically late initialized a variable named analytics, which is of type Firebase Analytics. So we have to come into our onCreate method, and then initialize this analytics variable. Analytics equals to Firebase Analytics dot. We will call this method named getInstance. This will, and also you have to pass the context. Okay, so this will create a Firebase Analytics instance. So if we run this project, we will be able to get an instance of our analytics in our Firebase Analytics dashboard. Okay, so we wait for the Gradle build to finish, and they have to run. Our app has been installed and it is running. So come to your Firebase console. This is reloaded so that the project comes up. This is my project, Firebase Analytics, and here we will find the analytics dashboard. We come here to check if the analytics is working properly. See, we see that the number of users has been updated, and you can see that in the last 30 minutes there has been only one user, that is me, open up this app in our emulator. So our analytics is working fine. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.